Here are some instructions to make a traditional flapping bird. Start with a square, coloured side up, fold the edges together, or hold the corners together, and crease. So we're putting a crease down the middle of the square diagonally. Crease, and unfold. Then the opposite axis. So we hold the corners together, then crease, and we now have two folds going through the middle of the paper diagonally. Then unfold, and turn over, and we're going to fold in half lengthwise. So fold one edge to the other, hold the edges together, and crease. Then unfold, and the opposite axis. So we're folding the edges together, hold them together, and crease. So checking the orientation. Now I'm going to put it together and form what we call a preliminary base. So all those creases are now formed and all the corners are touching. Take the outer edge and fold it to the middle. So that's actually the crease you made earlier. Same on the other side. Fold it in and crease. Now fold the top corner over along the folded edges and crease. And unfold, open up. Now we're going to pull up the front layer, fold up. That'll cause the outer edges to fold in and then flatten, and the edges will touch. Turn over and do the same thing. So we're folding the edges into the middle line, and the upper corner folds over and fold up again. So just the top layer, folding the edges in and crease. So this we sometimes call a bird base. Now we've got two wings. This is the top, and the lower corners will become the tail and the head. So take one side, we're going to fold it up. So this is going to go back perpendicular to the middle line. So we made the crease, then open it up and turn it inside out. So that's called a reverse fold. Fold it out. And now for the head, we're going to fold it up. And this fold is going to come adjacent to the fold underneath. So open it up, turn it inside out. It's going to come out at a slight angle. The tip will reverse, so we're going to fold it over to make a crease. Unfold, reverse inside, and it'll be the head of our bird. Now we're going to fold the wings down slightly, so folding one side over and the other. Put a crease in, then fold up again. Now if we hold at the front, pull the tail, it should fly. And that's the traditional Japanese flapping bird.